In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a group chat to your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner hoping to engage your customers, or a community manager aiming to facilitate better interaction among members, integrating a group chat feature can really enhance the user experience on your site. So let's dive in and see how you can easily set this up using Wix. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Wix website editor. This is where you'll be able to make changes directly to your website. Once you're on the editor homepage, you look for the toolbar on the left hand side of the screen. Now what you want to do next is click on the icon that allows you to add apps. This icon looks like a small grid or square, which makes it easy to spot. After clicking the app icon, you're going to be taken to a section where you can search for various apps to install on your site. In the search bar provided, you need to type in RumbleTalk. This is the app we're going to use to add that group chat functionality to your website. Once you've typed RumbleTalk, it'll pop up on the screen. You'll see an app named RumbleTalk Group Chat. Go ahead and click on it. What this does is take you to the app's main page, where you can find more information about the features of RumbleTalk and see some user reviews. The next step is straightforward. You're going to click on Add to Site. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. By clicking on this button, you're starting the process of adding the app to your Wix website. After that, you'll see a modal window that asks you to agree to the terms and conditions set by the app developer. You should read through those terms, and if you're happy with them, go ahead and click Agree and Add. This will finalize the installation of RumbleTalk to your website. Now that the app is added, we have a couple more things to do. You'll be redirected to your site, and you'll see a message saying the app has been successfully added. Next, what you want to do is head over to Settings. This is where you can customize the chat to fit your website's needs. Clicking Settings will open up the configuration options for RumbleTalk. Finally, if you wish to unlock more advanced features like increased chat capacity or additional customization options, consider upgrading the app. To do this, simply click on the Upgrade button found within the Settings area. You'll be taken to a new page showing various subscription plans. Choose the one that best suits your needs and you're all set. There you have it, you've just added a group chat to your Wix site in a few easy steps. Now your visitors can start interacting and engaging with your content in a whole new way. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.